Hey, isn't it nice to be liked?
You love me. You really love me.
How about a few tips on how to be more likable to your customers? Let me ask you this. Is it possible to sell without liking your customer very much and without having your customer like you? Well, you know what? Yes, technically it is possible. It's really, really hard. Now, look, I introduced this subject recently on an episode of 5-Minute Sales Training. You can go right here to see more about it. But I want to expand on that now with the idea of why it is so important for you to be liked. Because it feels all warm and fuzzy. No, that's not what we're talking about. There's actually something far more scientific at stake here. I want to show you 4 steps to the growth of likability that are going to make a huge impact, not just on being liked, but more importantly, on your sales pace. The 4 steps look like this: kindness, likability, trust, and influence. Those are the big 4: kindness, likability, trust, and influence. You see what happens when we are kind, when we are our best selves, when we go out of our way to make that decision to take care of our customers, what happens? That kindness leads to likability. Well, that's nice. But what happens when you get likability? When you get likability, you also get trust. When people like you, they tend to trust you. And that is when they are influenced by you. That's the way it works. That kindness leads to likability, which leads to trust, which leads to influence, which makes us better sales professionals. So can I give you a piece of advice? If you want to be likable by your customers, try this. Like them first. That's right, it's got to be a unilateral decision. Unilateral, meaning it's all on you. You have to make that decision apart from your customer's attitude or energy when they walk through the door. You see, too many salespeople wait for their customer to be likable. Do I think that I want to like you? No. You have to decide that in advance. You need to make the decision before they walk through the door. This is really all about the mindset, your mindset. So here's my question, and I really want you to think about this. Would you like you? I know that sounds like an odd question, but try it on for size. No, really. Would you like you?
Because I'm good enough, I'm smart enough, and doggone it, people like me.
Seriously, when you think about your approach, about your attitude, about your energy, about your facial posture, would you like you? Or let me put it another way. Are you the type of person that your customer would want to have a cup of coffee with? At Shore Consulting, we consider that to be coffee-worthy.
Would either of you like another cup of coffee?
I will, but Jim won't.
I think I will have another cup of coffee.
Jim never has a second cup of coffee at home.
So can I just make this suggestion? Be your most likable customer. Think of the person you have enjoyed working with the most and then be that person. But make the decision before the customer walks through the door. This can be a real game changer because your likability sets the tone for everything that happens next. Thanks again for watching the 5-Minute Sales Training. Make sure you are subscribing to this. Hit that little bell to be notified. And if you want it delivered right to your inbox each week, just hop over to jeffshore.com right now. There's a green button right on the page that says, yes, I want that. We're not going to spam you. We don't sell our list. We just want to make sure that every Saturday morning you're getting your 5-Minute Sales Training. And until next time, remember, learn more to earn more.